Hey everybody. Today, I want to go through a quick adding and subtracting integers. And you see that I put down in the bottom left corner, quit making it so difficult. Quite often, people end up working through integer operations as following a set of rules. And really, I want to move you away from that and give you another opportunity to just think logically about this. So what we are going to talk about the entire time we do this is we are talking about money. And what we do if we were collecting various amounts of money. So that's all I want you to think about. Adding or subtracting integers is collecting. Let's talk money. So let's start by taking a look at the top left corner. Now, I've given you an expression that has a double sign to it. Just because if you encounter a double sign, I think your motivation should first be to write that with a single operation, a single sign. So if we're taking a peek and we're saying that we are adding negatives, then a good first line should be, let's write that with a single operation. If we're adding negatives, then we're making something more negative, well then let's subtract. Okay, if you need other work on getting rid of double signs, I have another quick video for that I suggest. Okay, we come in on a single operation, and if we have 4 subtract 3, I'm hoping that that's pretty quick to be our 1. However, I want to talk to you about what we're going to deal with regards to money. Really what I want you to think about is positives mean we gain money, we find money. Negatives mean we lose money. That's it. That's it. And so if we can think about that with regards to money, then we should be good. Notice the first one. We had a positive 4. So we found $4, $4. Now we have a minus 3, so we lose $3. We just ask ourselves 2 questions. Are we up or down money? Hopefully we recognize that we are up, so our answer is positive. We wouldn't write the positive because we don't need to include that sign. And then we ask the question, how much are we up? So we are up money, so it's positive, and we are up $1. The difference between finding $4 and losing 3 is up 1. That's all we're talking about when we go through and we deal with money. And I think if you get practice thinking about it as collecting, it will really help you out. Take a look at the bottom left corner. We have 4 minus 7. So we take a peek and we recognize that we have a positive 4 at the beginning. So we are up $4. We find 4. But now we have a minus 7, so we lose 7. So the first area where you might make mistakes is with the sign of your answer. I'm hoping by just thinking about money right now, you can clearly see we need to have a negative. You find $4, you lose 7. Hopefully, we're clearly down money. Now you just got to say to yourself, how much down are we? So we can take the 7 minus the 4, and there's our 3. That's what I'm talking about thinking about money. Okay, jump up into the top right corner. You notice that we have a minus 4. So we just lost money. But now we have a minus 5. So we lost more. Clearly then, we're in the hole. We are down money. Well, now how much? Well, if we lose 4 and then we lose another 5, we are down 9. I'm not thinking about rules. I'm not thinking about, okay, the 2 integers both have the same sign, so therefore, no, just think money and we're good. Okay, the common mistake one is your bottom right corner. And if you tend to think about rules at times, you may end up telling me that that's a negative 11. Because you look at the negative 4 and you add 7, you go, hey, 4 plus 7 is 11. Stop. Think money. If you lose $4 and then you find 7, clearly you are up money. So my answer can't be negative 11. I found more than I lost. Okay, I'm not going to write the positive because I don't include that sign. I lose $4, I find 7, I gained 3. Okay, I think you should be thinking about money when you're trying to collect integers. Anytime you are adding or subtracting integers, we should think about collecting money. I hope that perspective gives you some help. Best of luck with your practice.